Ready?
Yep.
Let's go, get it. Let's go get it.
No, over there.
Get your present. Go see what it is. See what it is. Whoa. What is that? You want to get that out? She likes the farm. Let's get the farm out. Here, Mom will pull it out for you. Ready? Let's look at it. Whoa! And guess what? There's the batteries. Ooh, look here. What is that? What's in there? Ooh, let's see. Ooh, there's something in there. Ooh. So she's like, I don't care what's in the package. I just want to play with this thing. What's in there? Can you rip it open? Look. Heidi. Heidi, look. What's in there? Something in there.
Get that out of my face. I want to play with this chicken.
Here. What's in it? Oh, yeah, that's right. Rip it. Rip it. Look. Heidi, look.
Rip it.
Snickers, get on your carpet.
Get on your carpet, Snickers. Get on your carpet now. Get on the carpet. Here, Heidi, look. What is it? It's a horse.
Heidi.
Nice
Here,
Snickers.
let me do this. Whoop.